Are you spending hours trying to keep your business visible online? Posting, replying, checking notifications, and still feeling like you're falling behind? Here's the truth: you don't need to do it all. A virtual assistant for social media management can help you stay active, professional, and consistent while you focus on growing your business. A social media virtual assistant or social media VA is a remote professional who helps manage your online presence across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. They're not necessarily marketers or designers, they're organizers. They handle the daily operations that keep your brand visible and engaged. Think of them as the right hand of your social media, the person who makes sure your content actually gets out there, looks good, and reaches your audience consistently. Let's break it down. A social media VA can organize and schedule posts across multiple platforms, write or adapt captions that fit your brand's tone, research hashtags to increase visibility, engage with your community, replying to comments and messages, track engagement and prepare performance reports, and coordinate with your marketing or design team to keep everything consistent. In short, they help your social media run smoothly so you can stay focused on your bigger goals. If you're an entrepreneur or small business owner, you know how crucial consistency is on social media. But consistency takes time, and time is your most valuable resource. A social media VA gives you back that time. You'll stay visible, respond faster, and keep your brand active even when your schedule is packed. At VAV, we connect businesses with reliable, experienced virtual assistants who specialize in social media management. Every assistant is carefully selected and trained to understand your workflow, your tools, and your goals. Whether you need help organizing content, engaging followers, or tracking performance, VAV can provide the right professional support to your business. So if you've been trying to do everything on your own, it's time to delegate smartly. Contact VAV today to discover how a virtual assistant for social media management can help you stay consistent, visible, and stress-free. Don't just grow your business, grow your time.